Right, so we've got this box of foam. I wonder what we can make with this. Let's see if we can get something done by magic. There you go, that didn't take very long at all. Here we have a nice Mediterranean building built to purpose for Dan for our next game. So as you can see, it's made from green foam, or in fact blue foam, I believe it's the same. Mine just happened to be green. As you can see, pan-tile roof, standard Mediterranean look, and some gutterings and downpipes. You've got to have downpipes for your imaginary men, for the imaginary rain that's falling on the roof and then needs to get away via our downpipes. So let's zoom in and have a little bit more of a close look. So I've made this up. This is the first time I have made anything out of foam. I found the exercise quite interesting for sure, and quite tricky, but once I get the hang of it, I think I can continue to make things nice and fast from now on. So let's have a look at what's inside the box. Okay, so have a look inside the building here. Got a bit carried away with the inside of the roof trusses here. I cast these in resin, even put little bolts there and joins in the wood, gave them a little bit of a texture. It's something that you won't see until you open it up. And then the building itself just comes apart here, and then this piece here has a small Ronaldra piece on it to take it apart, because otherwise you can't get your fingernails in to get it apart. So, and there a bit of a root cellar type of arrangement, and then stairs up to the balcony, good shooting platform there, and then a door into the main section of the top story. The doors for the building, both they're all open, they just pivot on a couple of lugs there, and which I cast in situ and part of the process. It's the standard nice looking front door there, and your basic shed variety door for the utility area. I made up these windows in balsa, and ended up getting sick of making them, so I made one here and cast it in resin, but I actually need to get on and make some more molds for the other sizes that were required. So there you have it. That's what I've been up to. So hopefully you'll agree, quite a nice building, especially for a first attempt. Now I did borrow some designs from a few people out on the internet, because I've never done this before. Now that I've successfully done one and I've got my builder's degree in little foam buildings, I can go on to make some original stuff and work off some original historic source documents. So there you go. Dan, it's all yours. I'm going to send it over to you. I hope you enjoy it. Don't say I never give you anything. Alright, bye for now.